Unlock the secret to truly dynamic video with CapCut's powerful keyframe animation. Today, we're diving deep into how to use keyframes in CapCut to bring your video clips to life. Controlling everything from movement to size and rotation over time, you'll be adding professional polish and a creative flair in no time. Think of keyframes as bookmarks for your video's properties. You're telling CapCut exactly where you want a specific setting, like position or scale, to be at a certain point in your video. Let's start with position. Select your clip on the timeline under the basic adjustments. You'll see options for position, scale, and rotation. To begin, move the playhead to the exact moment in your video where you want your animation to start then. Click the little diamond icon, that's the keyframe button, next to the property you want to animate. In this case, position, you'll see a small diamond appear on the timeline. Now advance your playhead to where you want the animation to end again. With the clip selected, simply drag your clip on the preview screen to its new position. CapCut automatically adds a second keyframe, capturing that change. When you play this section back, your clip will animate smoothly from the first keyframe's position to the second. It's like magic. You can do this with scale. Set a starting keyframe for scale, then move the playhead and adjust the scale on the preview screen to make your clip grow or shrink. And the same goes for rotation. Add a keyframe at the beginning, move forward, and rotate your clip to create spinning effects or dynamic turns. The real power comes when you combine these. You can animate position, scale, and rotation all on the same clip, creating incredibly complex and engaging animations. Just add keyframes for each property at different points in time. Mastering keyframes in CapCut opens up a world of creative possibilities, allowing you to tell your story with visual impact and professional polish. Start experimenting, and you'll see your videos transform.